Hey everyone, welcome to another tip of the week from Killian Consulting. My name is Joanne. It's come to my attention that some people have not organized the apps on their home screens of their iPhones, so I thought I'd give you a little tutorial on how to do that. You've probably seen where if you touch and hold on an app or in an empty space, everything starts to wiggle. This is in edit mode. So I'm going to take the example here of taking things that belong together. For example, my music and podcasts. I'm going to make those into a folder, and you'll see I do have quite a few folders on my home screen already. But I'm going to take music and just drag it right on top of podcasts. And what that does is it creates a folder. Now, it created that folder called entertainment. I guess that's fine. If I wanted to rename it, I could just tap up on the top there and change it to something else. I'll go ahead and call it music and hit done on that. And now I've got my name of my folder. If I tap outside of that, again, I could put Spotify into that folder and it makes room for it there. I've got a couple other music related apps. I've got this one that's iHeart. Sometimes moving an app from one screen to another can get a little bit frustrating. Patience is the key. So just hold it at the edge until the page swipes, and then you can drop it into the folder that you want. And I'll do the same thing for Pandora here. Drag it to the edge, let the page swipe. And even if I miss it and let go, everything is still wiggling and I can still drop it into that folder. Now, even within that music folder, I could rearrange this into an order that I want them to be in when I open up that folder. So that goes for just moving apps around. If I decided that I wanted my Hi Hello app to go over onto a different page, I can just drag over and put it there, or I can put it into a folder that already exists. I have one for my business here that I can drop that in. So I hope that's helpful. As usual, please let me know if there's something else you'd like to learn. Have a great week.